Hi guys, it's Dr. Anthony here, and today I'm thrilled to let you know that we have now finished redesigning Content Samurai from the ground up to create an all-new, easy-to-use video creation platform that we now call Vidnami. And with the new name and new design comes a faster, brand new way to create professional videos for your business. You see, in today's challenging environment, it's more important than ever to find innovative ways to drive traffic, generate leads, and convert more visitors into paying customers. And the best way to do this is with video. With Vidnami, you can now create all the videos your business needs with just a few clicks of your mouse. You can create viral influencer videos with automatic captions. You can quickly transform blog posts into full motion videos. You can produce attention-grabbing video ads for Facebook. And you can create high-converting video sales letters. Plus, you can also produce training videos and online course videos. You see, when you use video to generate traffic, improve your conversions, and deliver great products, your business can grow exponentially. And I'll show you exactly how this all works in just a moment. But first, I've got something very special to share with you. To celebrate the launch of Vidnami, we've put together a very special launch offer that's only available for the next few days. Here's what's included. Vidnami usually costs $47 a month. But right now, you can lock in premium access for just $29 a month. That's a 40% saving every month for life. You also get unlimited access to over 790,000 professional clips from Storyblocks. Plus, you'll get unlimited access to a library of 30,000 Storyblocks music tracks. And if you join today, you'll also receive our video marketing bonus pack at no extra cost. This amazing bonus pack includes our Ultimate Video Traffic Blueprint Pack, our 5-minute Facebook ad formula, our 21 Ways to Find Clients ebook, our Smartphone Camera Tips ebook, and our YouTube SEO cheat sheet. All up, this exclusive Vidnami launch bundle delivers over $1,377 of value, and all you pay to get started today is just $29. But this exclusive offer is only available until midnight this Friday, so you do need to act now or you will miss out. Let's now take a look at exactly how Vidnami can help you grow your audience, boost your traffic, and increase your business profits using the power of video. First up, Vidnami helps you create viral influencer videos in minutes rather than days. Here's how it works. Simply record a video on your smartphone or webcam, upload it to Vidnami, then hit the transcribe button to automatically create captions for your video. Next, you can drop in images and video clips from Vidnami's built-in library to illustrate what you're talking about. And in a matter of minutes, you've got an authentic, professional video you can share on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn to build your audience, extend your reach, and boost your traffic. Here's an example of an influencer video made with Vidnami. Hi guys, it's Dr. Anthony here. I'm just about to do school pickup and I thought I'd make a quick video. I wanted to answer one of the most common questions we get, which is what's the best type of microphone to use for creating videos? The mic we use is called the Rode SmartLav Plus, and there's 3 reasons why we love this mic. First of all, it delivers fantastic quality audio. Next, if you've got an old blog that is sitting there gathering dust, you can now copy and paste your blog posts and quickly transform them into traffic pumping content videos for all the major social platforms. Just choose a template, copy and paste your blog post, review and tweak the automatically created scenes, upload a voice track or record your own right in the app, add some music and a watermark, and before you know it, you've got a finished video that your audience will love and share.
With summer break just around the corner, here's our 5 top tips for traveling on a budget. Tip number 1. Book flights online using a VPN. Prices often vary depending on where you are booking from. You can use a simple VPN to make it look like you're booking from a different country and save a bundle on flights. Tip number 2. Fly on Tuesdays.
As you can see, the all-new Vidnami is without a doubt the most versatile video creation platform available today. Never in the history of video production has it been easier to create professional videos to share your message and knowledge with the world. And remember, right now is a great time to join our rapidly growing community, because for the next few days we're offering a very special launch offer on Vidnami. Just to recap, here's what you get. Vidnami usually costs $47 a month, but right now you can lock in premium access for just $29 a month. That's a 40% saving every month for life. You also get unlimited access to over 790,000 professional clips from Storyblocks. Plus, you'll get unlimited access to a library of 30,000 Storyblocks music tracks. And if you join today, you'll also receive our video marketing bonus pack at no extra cost. And all you pay today is just $29. So if your business needs more traffic, more leads, and more customers, now's the time to take action. Grab your copy of Vidnami and use the power of video to boost your traffic, skyrocket your conversions, and grow your business. But this exclusive offer is only available until midnight this Friday. So to make sure you don't miss out, click the button below and let's get you started today.